voice. In traditional grammar, voice is used to denote whether the subject is active or passive. When the subject when the subject of the verb is being acted upon, that is called the postman was beaten. Here the verb is said to be in a passive voice.
Good.
Now, students, we will describe active voice. Now, let's understand what is active voice. The active voice describes a sentence where the subject performs the action stated by the verb. Where the subject performs the action stated by the verb. Let's understand it by an example. The postman delivers the letter. So as we can see, the subject of the sentence is postman. So the postman delivers the letter. So here the action is described by the subject, and the subject is postman. Now he cooks tasty food. In this sentence he is subject. So he performs the subject tasty food. He cooks tasty food. He performs the cooks. Rajesh writes a novel. In this sentence, Rajesh is subject and he performs the task of writing. So that is called subject. Now, let's understand what is passive voice. The passive voice describes the sentence where the subject is acted upon the verb. Once again, students, where the subject is acted upon the verb. Let's understand this definition with the help of example. The letters were delivered by the postman. So in this sentence, the subject is the letters and the verb is acted upon. Here it is acted upon the verb. So it is acted upon the verb delivered. So likewise, a novel is written by Rajesh. Here the subject is Rajesh and it is acted upon the verb written. Okay students, understood? We will learn how to change active to passive. So for this, we have to know the rule, and the rule is that each sentence is containing a subject, a verb and object. In every sentence you will find a subject, a verb and an object. So this is the structure of active voice. If the example is he writes a letter. In this sentence, he is subject, writes is V5 and the letter is object. So if we convert this sentence into passive voice, the structure would be like this. The sentence would be like this. A letter. First pick the object. The object of active voice will become the subject of passive voice. So a letter. Now as we can see, this sentence is in simple present tense. So according to simple present tense, we have to use the auxiliary verb, that is a letter is a singular word. So we have to use is. A letter is. Writes is verb V5. So we have always used the verb third form, that is written. In passive voice, always use verbs third form. A letter is written by him. A letter is written by him. So here a letter is subject, is written is wheat heard, and by. Why we have used by here? We have to use by here to connect the subject and the object of the sentence, and this is called the object. So I hope students you have understood the subject and passive voice.